Okay, let's start. What is your biggest weapon? And you can say what is your primary weapon to crack GATE aerospace exam. See guys, if you are the chess player or if you know the rules of chess, once you will defeat the king, that's all. Even though other soldiers are active in the opposition, does not matter. Once king is captured, we are winner, right? In same way, GATE exam is completely a war zone. In that you have 65 enemies. So if you have enemies there, then you should have the complete set of weapons. Out of all those weapons, which weapon you will consider as your primary weapon? So see, strength is different, and weapon is different. Just a minute. Strength is different and weapon is different. So you have your formulas as your primary weapon. Only formulas are primary weapons. See guys, you know the concepts very well, that is your strength, but that is not your weapon. If you have memorized all the formulas, then only you can solve any numerical with the help of formulas. So formula I consider as your primary weapon. So how helpful this weapon is, how many marks we can achieve using the formulas. So see guys, slowly GATE standard is increasing, and if you compare papers, sometimes suddenly very conceptual paper used to come, but I have analyzed all types of papers for all different branches. Especially I am talking about aerospace department. The outcome what I am going to put in the video, that will be for aerospace department. And see, in all types of papers, when you analyze properly, you find that roughly 45, like below 45, you can say, like 40 to 45 marks you can achieve only if you are very good in formulas. And see, of course, if you are good in formulas, you have some sense, you know that for what purpose you are going to use the formula, right? So there will be, see, if you want to, if I want to use this weapon, at least I should have some strength in my finger, correct? So that is like a concept. You have the concept in your backgrounds, and with the help of that concept you will be using the formula. So what is my main logic, why I am making this video? To show you that there are many students, they are not very good in concepts, but they are good in memorizing formulas. Actually see, everyone, either you are below average student or very good student, you have to memorize the formula at any cost. That is your primary weapon. If you are very good in concepts, like you can solve any kind of, you can tackle any kind of problem, but you are not able to recall the formulas, then you are zero actually. In GATE exam you will not stand anywhere. So first, whenever you find time, see, you just, whenever you are waking up, first you go for 100% revision in the morning itself. I'm not saying in the morning, whenever you are waking up, either you are 4 a.m. guy or 8 a.m. or 10 a.m. or 12 p.m. does not matter. Whenever you are waking up in the morning, first of all you should go for 100% revision. You understand? 100% revision means while revising the pages, turning the pages fast, you will be having some doubts. Those doubts you skip for the evening time or night time. Don't put yourself there itself to solve the like doubts of that page. No, don't waste your energy. In the morning time we are loaded with very amazing energy, so that energy you should use first. You should use for the toughest syllabus, toughest subject. You can consider either propulsion or structure or engineering mathematics, whatever, but I will suggest you not to do engineering mathematics in the morning. Engineering mathematics you should do after lunch, because after lunch some students feel sleepy. So that is advisable to see. So aircraft structure or aircraft propulsion, whatever you feel, propulsion or structure, whatever you feel tough, that you go for 100% revision. So what kind of revision you should do? Completely flip the pages, flip, page over. Okay, for example, page number 9, you have two topics where you have huge doubt or you are not able to understand the doubt. Okay, so don't waste your time there itself. Do not try to understand the topic there itself, because it will consume your energy and time, and you will never complete your 100% revision. So your first job is wake up and start completing your 100% revision with the help of your long notebook or short notebook or whatever you have prepared till now. So you should go for 100% revision. Make this okay, and mind it, 100% revision will give you entire span in one day. If you are taking 7 to 8 hours or 10 hours to go for 100% full length revision, then next day it will not consume same time, and then again next day it will not consume same time, then again next day, so your time will keep on decreasing. So that then only in the Feb first week you will be very capable of revising the entire syllabus in 3 to 4 hours. And now when you are revising the 100% syllabus, that time you will be having doubts. Actually I am not expecting that you should have doubts, but if you have doubt, that doubt you don't tackle there itself, you tackle in the last. In the last means, suppose just an example, if you started at n am you started, and suppose you are taking n plus 8 hours to revise your syllabus, so no problem. In after n plus 8 hours you will be going for lunch or something or dinner or whatever time schedule you have. Then after completion of the entire syllabus, then only you have to go for the doubt portion, in which portion you have doubt. Okay, and one more thing, 3 to 6 only question paper, online practice, only question paper, online practice, only question paper. Where will you practice? If you have not taken test series from any coaching center or from my coaching center, then go immediately take the test series from any coaching center or from my coaching center. Go for full length test series, practice topic wise, subject, whatever. If you are enrolled already, then no problem, I am taking care of everything. But if you are a self-study student, then it is very late now. Go and purchase test series from any coaching center or from my coaching center. And 3 to 6 you should give only for the online test series. 3 to 6 you should not do anything. I am shouting here, 3 to 6 only online test series, because very soon in 10-15 days your mind will be totally trained for 3 to 6 for the recalling purpose. Okay, so your brain should be capable of recalling ideas in that time. 3 to 6. Okay, we have to work in all the way, we have to win this war at any cost. We have 65 enemies and we have only one primary weapon, and it is very useful, formulas. If you are not good in formulas and you are very excellent student, you can never go for 70 plus marks. And you are very poor student but you have done all types of formulas, like, because there will be questions directly formula based. See, roughly you can consider at any worst to worst condition 35 to 40 marks, or like 42 marks, 45 marks. These kind of marks will be based on, as per my experience, by analyzing the previous question paper, will be based on your formula. So formula is our best and primary weapon, which everyone should have this. Once you have the formula, then suppose after solving 45 questions you are not able to solve any problem, now it is your problem. You are not able to solve any question, then it is your problem. But target formula first. Now it is in night time or some other time you work on your concepts, but in the morning time keep on writing the formulas, keep on writing. See, you purchase some loose sheets, or you have your notebook. If you have any pending notebooks or any free notebooks, take some pen or pencil, keep on writing the formulas, and you do one thing, you do like this. 10 pages you assign for gas dynamics formulas, 10 pages you assign for propulsion formulas, 10 pages you assign for math formulas, 10 pages like that. So suppose you are watching the video and you got the idea, like, okay, from today you will start the video. So on the first page of aircraft structure you write all the aircraft structure formulas. Okay, recall. And how will you do this? Again, I'll tell you how you should do this. You go to your main notebook and you take one loose page and you hide your page of the notebook with the loose page. Okay, and you slide down a little bit, the topic name will appear. Okay, when the topic name will appear, then after reading the topic name, okay, suppose for example torsion, topic name is torsion. So in that torsion topic, okay, you try to recall, okay, what is torsion? Okay, there is shaft is twisting. On the surface we have phi value, on the free end we have theta value. So phi value, theta value, relation T by J is equal to tau by R is equal to G theta by L. So I have given you trick, tight jeans. Okay, so try to recall the formula and then you slide the pages down. Okay, done. I did not do any mistake here. Now, okay, you got another topic. For example, you got another topic like combination of series shaft. Okay, series shaft. So okay, in series shaft what are the things are there? Okay, shafts are connected in series, so because they are in series, so torque will be same and theta will be different. So theta is equal to theta 1 plus A. Okay, this is the formula, this is the concept. Okay, I know this. So you see, if you do like this, then subject you can revise very fast. Okay, so this is the subject wide revision you do. So see, you should not do anything in the morning other than revision. See, tight this. Okay, you should not do anything other than revision in the morning time. Whenever you are waking up, that time your energy level is excellent high. So you start everything, mug up, memorize. So work like machine. Then only your result will come like machine. Work like machine. So what are you going to do? Okay, so if you are watching this video and you are totally confused what to do, now leave everything you leave. Don't bother about concept or something, because anyway if you are not prepared you are going to fail. So it's better to have some very good this thing, Like what can you do in the last? So in the last, only this thing: revise, revise. If you are not able to understand some concept, leave that concept, skip that concept, no problem, does not matter. You don't know that concept will come or not in the exam. For one concept you cannot give your whole entire day. You have last 25 days roughly remaining. So you cannot compromise one full day because of one. So you see, what is a smart game? Are you going to consume your whole entire day for one small topic, and we are not sure the topic will come or not? Okay, so if you want to understand everything, then what are you doing from last 1 year? Why you are wasting time in this critical situation? Leave everything, and now whatever topic you are feeling difficult, leave that. Just leave that at any cost. Go ahead. That's all done. So formula, I hope I delivered what I wanted to convey. Formula is first primary weapon. Keep on revising formula, not only one day or 2 day, every day. And do not mess with your 6 p.m. to 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. time. That time you should not do anything else other than online test series. At 2 p.m. you start in your room like this, where you have kept your laptop or whatever you have practice. Again, I'm suggesting you, in my institute also some students are taking online test series in phone. Please don't waste the test series. Don't take in phone, take in laptop. If you are in huge trouble, then no problem, then whatever is comfortable way you do for that. If you don't have laptop or you don't have but see this mouse, where is my mouse? Okay, this mouse is very important. This mouse will help you, because we have to practice the online. We have to click. We have to scroll. We have to practice everything. Every practice matters a lot. Okay, and one more thing, one more suggestion: you go to setting, your mouse setting. I don't know how to do this, but this setting is important, and you increase little bit speed of mouse. You increase little bit, because see, actually, whenever I have given the GATE exam, so I used to feel that mouse speed is little bit faster. Like in home, how I'm doing, like in my laptop, how I'm doing, it will be little bit difficult. I mean, sorry, in main exam, I feel that little bit fast sound speed. Sound speed nahi, ये कौन सा है? Mic speed. So mic speed is somewhat that thing. Okay. So you increase by 1 point or 2 point. That you just Google somehow how to do this. You may be knowing this. That's all. So okay, complete formula. And one more thing: if you don't remember the formulas, you don't even think that you can cross 50 plus. But if you want to get 45 to 50 marks on the basis of formulas, you can easily get. You see, formula will help you in 2-3 ways. See, those kind of questions you can tackle in which total formula is coming, like completely formula based questions. For example, compressor velocity is this, rotor velocity is this, and alpha is this, beta is this, find out degree of reaction. You can easily solve this. And second type of question: if you increase the particular parameter, if you double the particular parameter, what will happen to this property? In the right side formula, if you change in any property, double that, half that. So, and third type of questions: if there is 5% change in this kind of 5% change in temperature, then what will be percentage change in pressure, or something. This kind of formulas will come. I mean, questions will come. So formula will help you in all these 3 types of questions. And now what are you remaining with? Conceptual questions. That's all right. So conceptual questions, this is not the time to discuss conceptual questions. You should, already I have explained, for the conceptual part you give time in the night time. Or see, if you are night guy, suppose morning time you are sleeping and you are waking up in the afternoon, very soon change this habit. Now 1 year whatever you have done, no problem, but now you have to be morning guy. You have to wake up before 8 a.m. or before 10 a.m. at any cost, because in main exam day at 10 a.m. if you are waking up, then it will take at least 2 to 3 hours to flip the pages. See, I will tell you, that much inertia will develop in your brain, that much inertia, that you will be like without touching the pages, you will not feel comfortable in your exam. If you are thinking that without seeing pages you will enter to the exam hall, no guys, you have to take 2 to 3 hours gap, but before that you have to check your pages. See, it is just about it's like what, when you love someone, male female, when you love someone, you want to see that face, right? In same way, that inertia will disturb you on exam day if you will not flip your pages. So so what I'm trying to say, as early as possible try to wake up, as early as possible try to sleep. Like if you are sleeping around right now, if if your pattern is disturbed, then compromise one complete day and you try to sleep in night time. And in nighttime sleep is very very important. And you wake up 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 8 9 10, whatever you want to wake up, you wake up. My main intention is you should have the capacity, you should plan something so that in exam day, if you have to travel, for example, you have to travel exam days 2-3 days, that is disturbing, but you have to be a morning guy. Now in last 1 month, whatever you want to in last 1 year, whatever you have done, no problem. Now you have to do in this way. Morning time you wake up. How will you wake up in morning time? Suppose you are watching the video at 12 p.m. in afternoon, and just now before 5 minutes you have woke up, and now you are thinking, oh sir, night time I will not get sleep. Now how will I be morning guy? No problem. Night time you don't sleep, and next morning also you don't sleep. Compromise your sleep for one whole day. If you are very uncomfortable, like you are feeling sleepy in daytime, no, don't sleep. One day compromise, night time only you sleep, then only you can follow the morning routine, because the exam is in afternoon, so you have to wake up in the morning. If you are taking any other exam where exam is at 7:30 p.m., then no problem, whole night time you can study and you go and take the exam and come back, no problem. But our exam is in afternoon, so we have to be a morning person. That's all from my side. Today we have second full length exam in our institute, second full length exam. And you see, if you have seen my first full length exam video, and then this is second. So today let's see who is the topper. That's all. Thank you so much.